chilly morning this morning on the farm. Big 28 degrees. Well, the pawpaw and the little baby were napping in the back this morning. There's the little baby. A little squirrel running around. Come on. Come on, you hungry? Come on. Come on. I know, I hadn't cracked any yet. All right, come on. Little mama too, she likes fetching nuts. She won't come over here and get them, but she'll get them when I toss them to her. Oh, here comes the little birds. All right, guys, it's on. I gotta feed them. Hope everybody has a great day. Stay warm. Don't forget to smack that like button.